Starting a business can be a thrilling adventure, especially for beginners eager to take the plunge. First up on our list is the online retail business. With platforms like Etsy and Shopify, you can sell handmade goods or curate products without hefty overhead costs. Setting up an online store is straightforward, allowing you to reach customers far beyond your local area. Next is social media consulting. As platforms evolve rapidly, many businesses seek help to navigate their online presence effectively. If you're savvy with Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, you can offer packages to manage their accounts, create content, and increase engagement. Your culinary skills can lead to a successful catering business. Whether it's small parties or corporate events, there is always a demand for delicious food. With a solid plan and a few taste testing events, you can build a client base that appreciates your unique flavors and culinary presentations. Freelance writing is another business venture with low entry barriers. If you have a knack for words and can create engaging content, consider writing for blogs, magazines, or corporations. As a freelance writer, you can set your hours and choose projects that ignite your passion. For those inclined towards design, graphic design services can be immensely rewarding. Many small businesses need logos, marketing materials, or social media graphics. Learning software like Adobe Illustrator or Canva can set you on a path to creating beautiful designs, allowing your creativity to flourish commercially. Pet sitting or dog walking can be an ideal business for animal lovers. With busy schedules, many pet owners look for trustworthy individuals to care for their furry friends. Starting a service in your neighborhood can expand through word of mouth and pet care apps. Lastly, consider digital course creation. If you possess expertise in a specific field, share your knowledge through online courses, from teaching languages to digital marketing strategies. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to create content that can earn money while you sleep. Embarking on these beginner-friendly business ideas provides the perfect launchpad for aspiring entrepreneurs. With passion, dedication, and a clear plan, you can turn your interests into successful ventures. Remember, every great business starts with a single step, so take that plunge today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Tech7 Series. Thank you.